Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com forms for inbound project requests, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Monday.com forms for inbound project requests, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to create your form. Click on the Integrate button located at the top right corner of the board. In the Integrations Center, scroll down to find Forms. Select the Forms Integration option. Click on Add to Board to start the setup process. A new window will pop up prompting you to configure your form. Choose a template that suits your project request needs or start from scratch. Add the necessary fields to your form, such as project name, description, and priority. Customize the form layout as needed to make it user-friendly. Ensure that each field is set to the appropriate type, like text, drop-down, or date. Once your form fields are set up, click on the Settings tab to configure additional options. Adjust the notifications to receive alerts whenever a new project request is submitted. Set permissions if needed to control who can fill out the form. Next, click on the Share option to generate a shareable link for your form. You can also embed the form on your website if needed by copying the provided embed code. Test your form by submitting a sample project request to ensure everything works correctly. Review the submissions on your Monday.com board to manage incoming project requests effectively. Make any necessary adjustments to your form based on user feedback. Finally, share the form link or embed it where your team or clients can easily access it. Your Monday.com forms for inbound project requests are now successfully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.